Good morning, students. In today class, I am going to teach you about concentration of ores in 12th standard metallurgy. What does mean concentration of ore? We know that metal is extracted from ore, but the ore contains some of the impurities, non-metallic impurities, rocky material that means stone, and siliceous matter that is sand particles. What are the impurities present in the ore? Non-metallic impurities, rocky material, and siliceous matter. These impurities are called as gangue or gangue. These impurities have to be removed. How is it possible to remove these impurities? The removal of these impurities is carried out by preliminary step. This preliminary step is said to be concentration of ores. Generally, the ores are associated with ore is mixed with non-metallic impurities, rocky material, and siliceous matter, which are collectively known as gangue. The preliminary steps. This is a preliminary step in metrological process is removal of these impurities. This removal process is known as concentration of ore. Next one is methods of concentration of ores. What are the methods involved in the concentration of ores? First one is gravity separation or hydraulic wash. Second one is froth flotation. Third one is leaching. But leaching contain four processes: cyanide leaching, ammonia leaching, alkali leaching, acid leaching. The last one process, magnetic separation. So how many methods involved in the concentration of ore? There are the four methods: gravity separation, froth flotation, leaching, and magnetic separation. So this is apparatus for hydraulic wash. This is the apparatus for magnetic separation. This is the apparatus for froth flotation. This is the apparatus for leaching. Concentration of ore means what? To separate ore particles and gangue particles. The first method, gravity separation or hydraulic washing. This method is applicable to native ore and also oxide ore. What is the example for native ore? Gold. What is the example for oxide ore? Tinstone, hematite and tinstone. What is the process going on? This water comes from these tubes. Ore particle comes from these tubes. Water comes from these tubes. They are mingled with each other. What happened in this? Ore particle comes from these tubes. Water comes from these tubes. They are mingled with each other. What happened in this? The ore particles are washed with water. As a result, lighter sand particles are washed away and heavier ore particles are settled down at the bottom. This is the gravity separation method. Gravity separation or hydraulic washing, suitable for concentration of native ore such as gold and oxide ore such as hematite and tinstone. Ore is crushed to finely powdered form and treated with rapidly flowing water. Ore comes from these tubes and combined with water. During this process, lighter gangue particles are washed away. Lighter gangue particles are washed away and heavier ore particles are settled down. Ore is high specific gravity. Lighter gangue particle is low specific gravity. So this process is used to separate high specific gravity of ore from low specific gravity of lighter gangue particles. This is the apparatus for hydraulic washing. So this is sloping hearth. Ore particle comes from these tubes. Water comes from here. Water is combined with ore particle. That means ore particles are washed with water. What happened in this? Ore particles are washed with water. The lighter gangue particle, that is impurities, are washed away, and heavy ore particles settle down at the bottom. So this is the process of hydraulic washing. This is used to separate gangue particles and ore particle. Ore comes from this side. Water is mingled with each other. Lighter sand particles are washed away. Ore particles are settled down here. Next one is froth flotation process. This is used to separate ore particle and gangue particle. What happened in this? Ore is taken in a beaker, then added with frothing agent, water and collector. All of them mingled with each other and to form the froth. The froth contain ore particles and gangue particles are settled down at the bottom. This is the concept of froth flotation process. This method applicable to sulfide ores. That is an important one more question. This method is commonly used to concentrate sulfide ore, which is the sulfide ore, galena and zinc blende. In this method, crushed ore is suspended in water. So the ore first mingled with the water and mixed with frothing agent. Frothing agent is added, which is an example for frothing agent, pine oil or eucalyptus oil. A small quantity of sodium ethyl xanthate, which act as a collector, is also added. So what is a example for collector? Sodium ethyl xanthate. What is the purpose of collector? It collect the ore particle and to make the water repellent. That means ore does not react with the water, does not combine with water. A froth is generated by blowing air through this mixture. Air is passed through this. The collector molecules attach to the ore particle and make them water repellent. This is combined with ore and make them water repellent. As a result, ore particles wetted by the oil, ore particles wetted by the oil and impurities wetted by water. Ore particles wetted by the oil rise to the surface along with the froth. The froth is skimmed off. The froth is skimmed off and dried to remove the concentrated ore. The gangue particles or that are preferentially wetted by water settled down at the bottom. This is the concept of froth flotation. Froth flotation process is applicable to sulfide ore. If sulfide impurities is present, how to remove this? For that purpose, depressing agent NaCN is added. This is used to combine with impurities and to form the compound. So what is the purpose of depressing agent? Depressing agent combined with the impurities, that is sulfide particle, and to form the compound. When a sulfide ore of metal of interest contains the other metal sulfide, this is as impurities. The depressing agent such as sodium cyanide or sodium carbonate etc. are used to selectively prevent the other sulfides from coming to the froth. So this depressing agent is used to remove the impurities. For example, when impurities such as ZNS is present in galena, sodium cyanide is added to depress the flotation property of ZNS by coming by forming a layer of zinc complex Na2ZnCN4 on the surface of the zinc sulfide. This is the apparatus for froth flotation process. It is used to separate gangue particle and ore particle. Which of the compounds are taken in this? Ore particle, water and pinyl. The three of them are mixed in this. Air has passed through this. So after passing this air to make the agitation. Due to agitation, the froth is formed. The froth is collected on the another beaker. The froth contain ore particles, skimmed off and dried, and the gangue particles are settled down at the bottom. This froth flotation, it is used to separate ore particle and gangue particle. This is froth flotation. It is used to separate ore particle and gangue particle. Which of them taken in the beaker? Oil, water, then ore particle. Powder ore is added, water is added, then pinyl is added. Air is passed. Due to air passing, the agitation arises. Due to agitation, the froth is formed, which is collected on the another beaker. The froth contain ore particle and gangue particles are settled down at the